Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that Google has announced that Picture-in-Picture, PiP, is now rolling out to all users globally over the next coming months. And I do think that this is a nice move. Now, just a quick recap, PiP, Picture-in-Picture, basically what it does is it allows you to shrink your video into a smaller player that continues playing even when you leave the YouTube app. Now, how this is all going to work, according to Google, if we have a look at a GIF provided, is while a video is playing, you simply swipe up or tap the home button to exit the app. The video will automatically continue playing in a smaller player. You can move anywhere on your screen, according to Google. So that's just a picture and a GIF of how this is all going to work. Now, there are no changes for paying customers, according to Google. So if you are a Premium Lite member, you will continue to be able to use the PiP for long-form, non-music content on Android and iOS. And if you are a Premium member, you will continue to get PiP for both music and non-music content, which obviously creates a fully uninterrupted viewing and listening experience. And Google says that free Picture-in-Picture is rolling out now and will be available to all users globally in the coming months. So I do think that's a nice move. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.